Hello everyone, welcome back to MUFA Tech Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you our fingerprint-based vehicle starter system using an Arduino Uno. Here's how it works. I've connected an R307 fingerprint sensor to the Arduino via software serial pins 8 and 9. When you place a registered finger, it scans and matches it against saved templates. If a match is found, the system displays the user's name on the 16:2 LCD display, turns on a buzzer, and activates a gear DC motor, simulating a vehicle start. In this demo, I've registered one fingerprint for myself as MUFA. If any other finger is scanned, it shows "fingerprint not found" and sounds the buzzer for 3 seconds. The system is powered by a 12V adapter and controlled via an L298N motor driver module. This kind of setup can be used in vehicles for secure biometric starting systems. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more electronics projects. Let's head over to the live demonstration.